It's 2021 crypto market. We are finally in the bull run. BTC, ETH soaring. Altcoins may explode. Let's get straight to the point. What up, crypto investors? This is Simple Technology, and this is a video regarding one of the gems that are about to explode in the crypto market. Before we start, I gotta make it clear, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. This is for entertainment and educational purposes. Now that I finished covering myself out with that disclaimer, let's get down to business. Why are we doing this video? Harvest Finance. Harvest Finance has been exploding in the market, and people do not know much about this coin. I'm doing a video so I can give you guys the scoop about what exactly is going on and whether you think you should invest into Harvest Finance just before the bull market is in full swing. So, what is Harvest Finance? Harvest Finance is a DeFi project that basically offers automated fielding and yielding. Now, for those who don't know, people farm and yield, it takes a lot of time to do that, and you gotta know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, you can lose a lot of time and lose money. Harvest Finance had created an automated system which allows you to just simply do a deposit for someone who doesn't know anything about that, and then with their algorithms, they're designed to generate the most APY. Now, another thing that's even explosive about this is, unless there's something else that I don't know about, Harvest Finance generates the most APY than anything else that I know, and this is the website. And take a look at this website. Look how much money is already being deposited in Harvest Finance. Look at that. And these are the assets that are associated with it. So basically, you could connect your wallet, you have your balance, and look at the harvest that you can get from any of these coins. This is just absolutely amazing to behold. So this is exactly what this project does, okay? So it's very important that you understand this. So this has a use, and in my opinion, in the future, especially with a lot of small retailers, they're gonna be jumping on these types of yielding. So this right here should let you know that this project is definitely, could potentially be one of the top crypto coins that you're going to see in 2021. Now, let's talk about the history of Harvest Finance. So if we go down to the history and we look at the yearly chart, you notice that it started off at 30,000, which I believe there was a hack, which is something that's common among cryptos, which rugged the coin down to $43. But there's not that much information in here, but I did check the chart, and in looking at it, one thing that I did notice was that the coin after it got rugged, look at the price it maintained throughout 2020. So this is generally, as you see this price throughout the year. There's a reason why I'm showing you all this, so I need you to hang on with me. So you see it maintains about 100, maybe a little less. Then we're entering January, which is one of our strongest, and February, strongest months. And you notice they maintain between $200 and $300, right? And as we go on into March, you noticed that it's slightly dropping in value. Well, actually, no, it's done very good in March and April. And then we start getting into May, which you guys know what happened in May. It was one of the most awful bear markets we've experienced, and the coin basically gets rugged, and you see just exactly how it drops in value, as you see. Now the coin gets listed in Coinbase. When it gets listed in Coinbase, it absolutely explodes to around 245. Now, usually when coins usually explode, they usually come down, and then it takes a long time for them to get up. Harvest Finance exploded, and it was within days. It was already climbing up value. It had a pretty rocky road. It dropped all the way to $149 throughout these dips. And for those who was buying the dips at 149, you're definitely congratulations, because it's already now at $292 and it's still going. So this is a very great project. Now about the metrics of this. Look at the market cap is 178.7 million. The volume is 63.0 million, and the circulating supply 609.4 thousand. One of the most important things about investing in the crypto to almost assess their value is the circulating supply. When there's too much circulating supply and the market cap is too big, that means a significant amount of money needs to be poured into that particular project for the price to actually increase. And we see problems like this with AMP and some of the other projects that have been around, very successful. However, some of the details of the metrics limit their ability to grow in price. With this circulating supply at 609.4 thousand, this right here, for me, in my opinion, for me, tells me that it's just a matter of time when this coin is going to explode. Now, why has this coin not exploded before? There's something that you guys need to keep in mind. This project did not get proper marketing. Not many people know about this project, but now it's listed on Coinbase. Now it's listed on Binance. People are definitely now learning about the project. So I would only suspect that when we on a full bull market swing, this coin is just going to surge. Now, what is my price prediction for the short term? For the short term, based on metrics, with a market cap at 178.7 million and a circulating supply of 609.4 thousand, I believe that in the short term, this coin will definitely, without a doubt, reach $500 to $1,000 in the short term. In the long term, I would predict that this coin will be 40,000 to 100K if the market cap could increase. And I believe that this project is a baby version of Yearn's Finance. And if you look at the metrics, they're almost identical, apart from Yearn Finance being a much bigger project. So please keep that in mind. This is a sleeping giant. The more and more people own coins and the less sales, this will drive and bring pressure in the market, forcing people to buy the coin. And with only 609,000, this is a sourced coin. So I predict that this is a gem in the market, and I do believe it's going to explode. The project in itself is a project that a lot of crypto investors will be using. It did maintain, even after being hacked, it still maintained a decent value off the mainstream market. Now that's in the mainstream market, and we got it on, as I said, Binance, Coinbase, I would suspect that retail investors who are doing their research and their homework and understand the bulls versus bears concept, this is a coin that I believe people will definitely be buying during the bull market, and you will see a huge surge. Another thing that's crazy about this coin, this is not like those other coins that you're going to see it jump by the dollar. So for example, you're not going to see 293, 294, 295 when the coin is going up, because such a low circulating supply, because how many people are purchasing this coin. This can jump from 292 to 355 just in a matter of seconds. So this isn't something that I personally would just jump in when it's surging. I think that's very dangerous. I definitely would not short this this asset. It's a very highly volatile asset now because it's still growing. So this is something that I think I would truly be considering for a long-term investment. So that's what Harvest Finance does. I would like to know what you guys think about Harvest Finance. Are you investing in Harvest Finance? Do you believe in the project? Drop a comment and let me know what you think, all right?